Well, there is a complaint or a common, challenge in IELTS speaking section 2 is that to talk about any topic for 2 minutes. And many students often find it difficult to continue their speaking up to 2 minutes because they sometimes stops. They go blank at the middle of the speaking, or at one stage they sometimes stops. So today I'm going to give you one special tip which could help you to improve your speaking so that you could continue speaking until 2 minutes. So the tip is that you could challenge yourself for 30 seconds every day. If you are a beginner, or if you find it difficult to continue 1 minute, then challenge yourself for 30 seconds to talk every day on any topic. It could be an object, like I've got a pen on my hand, so you could challenge yourself that today, for next 30 seconds, I'm gonna talk about the pen. For example, I've got a pen, and the color of this pen is red, and there is a cap of this pen, and the color of the cap of this pen is also red. I bought it from a library which is close to my house. So this is how you could really continue. And then when you are comfortable for 30 seconds, then challenge yourself for 60 seconds. When you're comfortable for 60 seconds, then challenge yourself for 80 seconds, 120 seconds. And this is how actually you can improve your ability to continuously talk about a particular topic. And another thing is that if you run out of vocabulary what to talk about the objects, then you can go to the internet before you practice and collect some vocabulary, and then you challenge yourself for 30 seconds or 60 seconds and continue talking. And this is an amazing way to improve your ability to talk in an extended period. So that was a very common one tip. If you have any other strategies or tips that you use to improve your speaking, I would request you to write it on the comment box so that other students can learn from your strategy, can be benefited. So and I will also be able to happy to read those comments. Thank you very much guys, and stay tuned for more videos.